Hey, I'm Chris from Mobility Solutions, Affordable Medical USA, and CarryonUSA.com. This is the Carryon by Golden Technologies, the GB120, CarryonUSA.com. And this is Miss Butler. She just recently got back from Aruba, and she traveled with the Carryon. So how was it traveling down there?
It was great. It wasn't a bulky ride. It was nice and smooth, and it was easy for people to put on the bus or put on the cruise ship, or the airport was even much better because most of the time you got to break it down. They don't even have to break it down this time. They just take a clip thing and put it on. But I've been to Aruba. I went to Disney with one like this. I've gone to DC. I went to Nashville with one. I've been all over the place. I love this little
So
scooter.
when you were down there, a lot of places outside of the country, it's not really always ADA accessible. There's
No,
some
they're not
places.
accessible, right?
How did this do? Like, did you get into a place where it didn't perform well, or did you just figure out a way of going around it, or did you find any places that might not have that this didn't
Most,
perform very well
right.
for you?
Well, not actually perform well. You have to learn to improvise. When you had like dishes. Now, one thing a lot of folk don't realize, it will do inclines. I mean, tall inclines because most of the places are not ADA, like you said.
Right.
And some of the curb cuts are not real curb cuts. So you maneuver, and it's good to maneuver. There are a lot of places that had cobblestones,
Okay.
but in Vegas they had cobblestones also, and I took one to Vegas.
Right.
So, and it does well. I mean, it's not like some of them are bogged down. Now you have to be careful if you're going into soft sand.
Okay.
That's one, but when I got to that point, they just picked it up and carried it
Because it's so light.
because it's light,
Right.
and then put it down, and I kept on going.
So the battery, how did the battery perform? Did you get a full day out of it, or did you get half a day of use, or do you feel like you?
I would I would do it at night, charge it at night,
Mhm.
and it was a full day. It really was a full day, and I go when I leave the hotel. I'm on my way. I tour everything, so no matter what, I normally probably get down to maybe 4 bars, but it stays charged. And I always put my charger in for my phone,
Okay.
so
Oh,
it
so you
carries that
double
too.
charging. So you're
So,
able to charge your phone when
uh,
you're out. So you have
right. So
battery for your phone. Your phone's probably wearing out before this
it
is.
does always.
Okay.
So it does. It was.
So if someone was looking at to purchase this, would you recommend this scooter to them, or would you maybe recommend them buy something different? But would you think this would be a scooter that you would suggest?
If it's something they're looking for lightweight and easier to get around, you can steer it back and forth. No problems getting to the elevators. Sometimes it depends on how it is. If you got a lot of people around, but I can do that. But this is the one to buy. This
Okay.
is this is a great one to buy.
Awesome.
So I will let you know if
She
it's
would,
junk.
trust
It's
me.
junk.
I've been dealing with her for a long time now,
Yeah, at least
and
5 years.
I would even get her on here if she had some issues because not everything's perfect, and we know that. But this has been a great, very easy scooter for her that travels a lot, and we just want her to tell you what she thought about it from her travels all over the country, all over the world, and
Definitely.
an honest review. So check this scooter out. It's CarryonUSA.com. This goes directly to this page. Or give us a call at 803-926-2224.